Okay, so before we get into anything, I need you to stay with me until the very end of this video, because today is not just about my December favorites. This is also my very last giveaway of 2025. Bittersweet, right? Well, I'm not going to tell you what exactly I'm giving away because it's multiple things, but I promise you, if you love beauty, if you love skincare, if you love hair care, and holiday magic in general, you're going to want to enter, so stay tuned. The rules are simple as always, okay? I'll explain everything as we go, and I will remind you again at the end, but trust me, staying until the end really does matter, folks. All right, let's get into the products that I've been using on repeat this month, shall we? Let's start with Cycler Sacred Santal. OMG, this scent has been living on my skin. Sacred Santal. Oh, if you love Santal, I'm obsessed. It's warm, creamy, grounding, and sensual without trying too hard. It's soft, but like confident, I guess. Cozy, but elevated. You know what I mean? They've got body wash. They've got this vanilla, the best. It's like one of those moisturizers that linger. The smell lingers all day. The beautiful scent, that is. And I've just been obsessed with the body wash, with the vanilla kind. And there's another one as well I'm gifting, obviously, for the holiday season. Let's move on to the Chanel hand cream. Bougie Cheryl's out today. I never leave the house without this beautiful thing. The texture is lightweight, but deeply nourishing, and it absorbs instantly without any residue, really. Your hands, honestly, I feel like there's a blurring something in here because it feels like you could use this as a primer almost. It's not greasy, and I need to always moisturize my hands because I feed my dog by hand. Yeah, if you're new here, don't judge. It's classic, it's chic. The only thing I don't like about this is that this is not connected. They should connect that. Chanel. Soft Services hand cream. That sounds like soft serve. Yum. This is my recovery hand cream because boy, do I need it. My hands get so dry after feeding my dog, but they crack. You know, they're aging quickly. I can tell you that much. But this is very rich. It's comforting. It's always sold out on Sephora, and especially at nighttime. I keep this by my bedside and use it every evening. You wake up with just noticeably softer hands and less wrinkly hands, for me at least. A newer brand for me, Beauty of Joseon eye masks. These are actually brightening and they work. They're my under eye lifesavers. They instantly hydrate. They depuff and smooth the under eye area. It has like a fluorescent, iridescent type look to it. I've already used almost the whole thing. They make concealer apply smooth. They definitely brighten your eyes. And if you care about your under eyes, which you should, I would say finding eye collagen masks that actually work. There's only a few out there. You know what I mean? Let's move on to Shumera. I can't say the brand name, so sorry. Eyelash curler. This is a new device for me. I know this has been around for a while, but this fits my Asian lashes perfectly. I lost the little thing. I'm so upset. I can't find it. So anyway, I just got this, and the way it curls my straight, barely there lashes. Wow, I actually have more lashes than I thought, you know? Refi Primer. I know this is not a new product, but this is what I continue to reach for this month. This primer is not only gripping, but it's hydrating. It smooths my textures, keeps my makeup in place, and it just gives you that clean skin focused finish that lasts all day long. Especially great if you want your foundation to look flawless. It has a metal head, you guys, so it's super cooling. And I've been just definitely going through it with my perimenopause lately, and I've been turning red. And this has definitely soothed all of my needs. Kosas. Yes, it's rhinestone, and no, I didn't do it. Shocking. This is very lightweight. This is their Dream Beam Comfy Smooth Sunscreen. Broad spectrum SPF 40. That's a mouthful. It wears beautifully. My family and I are going to Hawaii, and I'm going to be using only this. I'm only going to be taking this, the rhinestone one. I love that it just feels more like skincare than sunscreen, and it gives that glow, gives a soft little tint as well while you're still being protected. This is a daily must. Absolutely. Okay, let's move on to a foundation that took me a long time to really embrace and love. The Haus Labs Triclone Foundation. This foundation looks like real skin. When used properly, you have to shake it. I think the first few times I tried this, like a year ago, I didn't shake it. So it really didn't do me any favors. But when you shake it and you only use a couple drops, it's breathable, it wears beautifully throughout the day, and photographs absolutely incredibly well. I reach now for this constantly. I'm wearing it as I speak. I'm losing my voice. So sorry. It's about that time, you know? The Bubble and Rudy Chocolate Dripped Tubing Mascara. I only wear brown mascara now on the bottom lashes. On my bottom lashes, it really lengthens big time. It separates, and I love a tubing mascara. Who doesn't? This finish is clean, it's glossy, and the removal, more importantly, is easy. Just warm water, no drama, you know? Speaking of, I hope I'm saying this brand name right. Bubble and Rudy Bitten Juice Lip Stain Cherry Cola. This is like a stain, not permanent, but I'm using it right now and I have it on. It gives just that natural yet structure to your lips. I like to just do like 4 little sections and then I quickly blot it out with my fingers. I love wearing this even alone with some gloss, or just layering it, putting it as my liner first, powdering my lips, and then using like a bright, bold color like I am now. Anyway, let's speak of an underrated brand. I love him as a makeup artist. I've never met him in person, but this is Raquel Beauty. His eyelash clusters, holy hell. I mean, they're just so perfect, yet they give volume without you looking like you're wearing actual fake lashes. I like to put these underneath my lash with a little tiny bit of glue. I wish they had self-stick. I'm not sure if they do, but I bought so many of this exact actual kind of lashes, which is called their Star Flares, FYI. You can get it on his website. I will leave everything in the description box below. So a lot of people have been asking me what red I've been wearing lately since I've been embracing the bold lip, which is so odd for me. I used to hate red. I used to literally think red lips would make me look cross-eyed. It was all in my head. What can I say? Anyway, let's talk about the best red liquid matte in the business. This is Violet FR Amour Fou, I think is how you pronounce it. Bold, romantic. It blurs. It's long wearing. It's matte. It doesn't dry out the lips. The texture is velvety. You can easily put gloss if you want in the middle. I had to do that towards the end here. I've worn this now for like 5-6 hours straight, and I needed some shine to my lips, if you know what I mean. Okay. Makeup by Mario. Surreal Skin Natural Finish Foundation. This is his newest formula. Mario absolutely nailed this one. This foundation just gives you perfected, natural looking skin. Absolutely smoothing. It evens, it blurs without ever looking heavy. It's buildable for sure. It's one of my most, I would say, used products this month. Absolutely. A newer product on the market, the Rare Beauty Lip Butter Balm. We need more butter balms, guys. We really do. But these are very unique. This is hydration done right. They say you can also use this as a mask, like in the evening time, right before you sleep. I like to keep my lips hydrated as well. It's just not sticky. It fits like perfectly in the crevices of your mouth. Powered by hyaluronic acid, butter, and shea butter. It keeps your lips absolutely smooth, nourished, and healthy day and night. I always have one in all my purses because I love it. And there is a tint to it, a tint that is definitely something that you can see. It's not like a slight. You can definitely wear this just with liner and call it a day. Speaking of balm, let's talk about another brand, Patrick Ta, that just came out with his highest sheer cushiony perfection balm called. This is called the Patrick Ta for Lips. There's got to be a longer name. Oh yeah, here it is. Major Moisture Smoothing Lip Balm. There we go. Almost sold out already at Sephora, but basically this is high shine. It's sheer, it's cushiony, it's perfection. The texture feels very rich, luxurious, and the vitamin E keeps lips, you know, soft and hydrated. Another great tint. It kind of, I mean, you do get a lot for your money, I would say. It's quite long. And I would say that this is something that I would definitely use in Hawaii. So I'm going to bring all 4 that I got. Different shades, gorgeous, not sticky. Speaking of obsessed, let's talk about Hourglass Phantom Volumizing Glossy Lip Balm, shall we? I have to say, it took me also a while to warm up to these. I don't know why, but I love the shade Haze. It's like a burnt rosewood, and it just gives that like gorgeous shine. I'm actually currently wearing, on top of Violet FR, I'm currently wearing the shade, what is the shade? Red. Wait, what is it? Red. Yeah, it's red. Hey, look at that. But my favorite out of all of them is the shade Haze. Haze is like a burnt rosewood. Look at that. I've been really into burnt anything. Burnt orange, burnt rosewood, burnt whatever you want to burn. It's stunning, and it just leaves that like glossy feel, gives that shine and hydration. It's basically like a balm, but way more pigmented, I would say, without the discomfort, right? People always constantly have asked me what I'm wearing when I use this. So it's gorgeous, so gorgeous. I had to actually, during the Sephora Savings event, buy one of every shade. I'm an addict. What can I say? Okay, moving on. Haus Labs PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze. I've been like kind of staying away from lipsticks just naturally. I don't know why, but I've just been using lip liner and lots of gloss. This is a perfect, gorgeous fig color for the wintertime. This is rich, it's flattering, universally gorgeous. It gives high shine, another perfect, I would say, product for hydration, and it has a gentle plumping effect. The texture is smooth, sophisticated, never sticky, perfect for day or night. And yeah, it's great. I just want to put it on, but I already have way too many lip products on. Let's move on to a cream shadow that I have not stopped reaching for, especially this month. The Merit Gorgeous Cream Shadow. This is in the shade Glacé. It's like a soft rose. Basically, it just blends easily with your fingertips. Never creases. Another thing I'm bringing with me to Hawaii. Perfect for just everyday elegance and a quick one and done shadow. Let's talk about what I believe is an underrated product when it comes to blush sticks or balms in this case. This shade right here, this is Haus Labs. This is their, what shade is this? This is Glassy Cayenne for lip and cheek. It adds so much warmth, dimension, and a glossy finish. It's just gorgeous. I don't know why more people don't talk about this, but I love this for like an instant, just fresh look. One size. This has been sold out, God, for months. What I love about this, because I lean towards the drier side, I thought for sure I was going to not love it, but even people with dry skin were raving about this. This just locks everything in. It melts, basically powders together, and keeps makeup just looking seamless, skin-like all freaking day long. I just look forward to this step, which is rare for me. Dun da da dun! Giveaway reveal, jazz hands. All right, so you've made it this far. Thank you, first and foremost. But for my last giveaway of 2025, one winner, one lucky winner, will receive a huge, and I say huge, I mean huge, you guys, package from L'Occitane, okay? Yes, you heard me. I'm using my knee to keep this up. Anyway, it's heavy. Shipping's gonna be a bitch, but it's worth it because I love you guys and you really have made my year. This has been my favorite, absolute favorite platform to just upload content on, and I just love the support. You guys are so no negativity over here. And because of that, I would like to add, you're also gonna get this heavy thing. Sephora favorites, holiday hair must-haves. Who doesn't need this? You're welcome. Here's how to enter. 1, be subscribed to this YouTube channel. 2, like this video. 3, share this video to your Instagram stories and tag me at Cheryl Burke. 4, share this video with a friend or follower who loves beauty or advent calendars maybe. Comment below your top, I would say, 2 products that you cannot stop using this December. Once you've completed all 5 steps, you've officially entered, okay? So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for trusting me, and good luck. This might not get sent out FYI until after the holidays, but it will get to you, I promise. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys.